Once upon a time, in a humble sewing room, resided a cherished BERNINA sewing machine. This magnificent machine had served its owner faithfully, flawlessly stitching together countless beautiful creations. However, there was one mysterious occurrence that puzzled the seamstress. Every now and then, a faint humming noise would emerge from the sewing machine. It was a gentle and intriguing sound that would occasionally catch the seamstress off guard. Perplexed, she would pause her work and wonder about the source of this mysterious humming. One day, she accidentally bumped the bobbin winder and it instantly sprung to life. She couldn't help but giggle at her discovery. All this time, the source of the mysterious humming noise had been her trusty sewing machine's bobbin winder, turned on by mistake.